Types of disabilities. Understanding inclusion. Definition of disability. Disability is an umbrella term for impairments, activity limitations, and participation restrictions. It reflects the interaction between features of a person's body and features of the society in which they live. By World Health Organization, WHO, International Classification of Functioning, Disability and Health, ICF, 2001. RPWD Act. Let's understand. Full form is Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act. The RPWD Act is a law made by the Government of India to protect the rights of people with disabilities. The Rights of Persons with Disabilities, RPWD, Act was passed by the Parliament of India in 2016 and it came into effect on 19 April 2017. Equal rights. People with disabilities have the same rights as everyone else. Right to education. Children with disabilities have the right to go to school and get support. Job opportunities. Reservation in government jobs for persons with disabilities. Accessibility. Public places, transport, and websites should be accessible to all. Protection from discrimination. No one should treat people unfairly because of disability. Covers disabilities. The Act recognizes 21 types of disabilities. Types of disabilities. Blindness. Complete loss of vision in both eyes. Cannot see light, shapes, or people. Low vision. Can see, but with difficulty. Needs help like large print, magnifiers, or bright light. Leprosy cured persons. A person who had leprosy but is now cured. May have damaged hands, feet, or eyes. Locomotor disability. Difficulty in moving body parts like arms, legs, or spine. May need wheelchair, crutches, or artificial limbs. Dwarfism. Short height due to a medical condition. Intellectual disability. Slower learning or understanding. May need extra time and support in school or work. Mental illness. Affects thinking, mood, or behavior, example depression, schizophrenia. Needs emotional and mental health support. Autism spectrum disorder. Affects communication, behavior, and social interaction. May avoid eye contact or repeat actions. Cerebral palsy. Affects movement and muscle control due to brain damage at birth. May need help to walk, talk, or eat. Muscular dystrophy. Muscles become weak over time. A person may find it hard to walk or lift things. Chronic neurological conditions. Long-term brain and nerve problems like multiple sclerosis, nerves stop working properly. Parkinson's disease, shaking, stiffness, and slow movement. Specific learning disabilities. Trouble with reading, writing, math, or understanding. Example, dyslexia, difficulty reading letters or words. Speech and language disability. Difficulty speaking clearly or understanding speech. May need speech therapy or alternative ways to communicate. Hearing impairment, deaf and hard of hearing. Deaf, cannot hear sounds at all. Hard of hearing, can hear but not clearly. May use sign language, hearing aids, or lip reading. Thalassemia. A blood disorder that causes weakness and tiredness. Needs regular blood transfusions. Hemophilia. Blood does not clot properly. Even small cuts can lead to heavy bleeding. Sickle cell disease. A blood condition that causes pain, tiredness, and organ problems. Multiple disabilities including deaf blindness. A person has more than one disability, example can't see and hear. Needs special communication and daily support. Acid attack victims. Persons who have burns and injuries from acid attacks may lose vision or have disfigured body parts. Parkinson's disease, also included under neurological conditions, causes shaking, slow movement, and difficulty in balance. Multiple sclerosis, MS. MS affects the brain and spinal cord. This video is created to spread awareness about different types of disabilities based on the RPWD Act, 2016. Prepared by Ekta. For more information, visit www.ekta.org.in and email us ekta.koraput@gmail.com. Copyright 2025 Ekta, Koraput, all rights reserved. Thank you for watching.